I'm here with Scott McKeon from Randox at Medlab Middle East. Scott, thank you for joining us. Tell us a bit what Randox is doing here at this year's show.
Thanks, David. Yeah, so Randox is a diagnostic company. We've been in the business for around 40 years, UK company serving healthcare globally. And we're here at Medlab Middle East for this is around our 10th year, I think. And our main goal, to be here, a presence among customers, and also to meet new distribution partners. So basically, finding better channels, more efficient channels to getting our product into the hands of our customers and labs.
And in terms of those products, are there any that you are heroing on your stand here this week?
Brilliant question, David. Yeah, so one of the reasons we're here, and we've seen this over the last couple of years, really the focus and the interest that there is in near patient and point of care diagnostics. So Randox has been working in point of care for a long time, but with the pandemic in particular, we've seen a want and need for better diagnostics near to the patient, both from a lab point of view and also from the patient, because a quicker answer means a quicker treatment decision, which means a better outcome for the patient. So we're here to talk about the Evidence Multistat. This is a platform which has been in the market for around 10 years, primarily started in the toxicology market. And what it is a near patient clinical immunoassay platform. Okay, so as I mentioned, it's been in the market for some time. Drugs of abuse testing. We've taken that to the next level now with our ToxPlex assay. So you maybe ask, what's ToxPlex? ToxPlex is our new product which allows the end user, the customer, to tell us their defined cutoffs and the targets that they want on a panel. Let me explain that a little bit. So one of the things that Randox is renowned for is our multiplexing capabilities. And so we have on our biochip array technology the ability to screen for multiple drugs of abuse in a single patient specimen. But one of the challenges you see with that in the market is every country has slightly different targets that they're looking at and at slightly different cutoffs. So what we've developed now is a completely customizable approach to that, which gets around that challenge. So now we're able to go to customers and say, what do you need to test for from a list of around 30 drug targets? They tell us those, and then they tell us what cutoffs they need for the legal requirements of positive or negative. And then we get the assay for them on the multi-stamp.
You mentioned different markets, different countries having different requirements there. Obviously, we're in the Middle East this week. Tell me about how important the Middle East is for Randox.
Yeah, we have a huge market here. Toxicology, not just on the multi-stamp, but for a number of years in Saudi Arabia here, Dubai Police, we're working closely in the toxicology market. Well, we think that the reason why we're talking more about multi-stat this year is because of the new direction it's taking with bringing this type of testing closer to the hospital. That's really important in emergency departments and critical care setting. So, and that's a new customer base. And so we're here to meet those customers, and we're here to meet partners who work specifically within that market so we can channel and get this technology into the right hands.
Well, I wish you every success this week, Scott. Thanks for coming back to Medlab Middle East.
Pleasure, David. Thanks for having us.